outfit change. Way too late to be taking a nap, but we were very tired. Hey friends, welcome back to today's video. I'm just gonna do like a vlog today, I guess. I'm in Avy's room because the light is really good in here. There's like this big window right here. Yeah, it's kind of cloudy and gross today. I was supposed to take Avy to the pool because she's been begging me to go, and yesterday was super hot, but I had to work, so I was like, I'll take you today, but it's super gloomy and it's only like 80 degrees, and so I'm probably just gonna take them on a walk today. I'm super tired. It's Tuesday, but today is kind of like our Sunday because we work weekends, and JC's off Monday and Tuesday, so tomorrow he goes back to work. So I don't know, maybe we'll go eat somewhere or something and just kind of hang out. We got back this weekend from Corpus because JC was in a wedding, and we got home and our fridge was off. I have no idea why. It's done that like once or twice before, but we're here so we can just like flip the breaker and it turns back on. But this time we were gone, and so all of our food went bad. Love that for us. But Zion's down for his nap. It's the afternoon, it's about noon, and yeah, we're just chilling. I worked on some budgeting stuff this morning. I like to bring up our budget once a week and just kind of go through it and get in all our transactions from the weekend, see what we're doing, see how we're doing, make sure everything's looking good. I use You Need a Budget, and it's not sponsored or anything. I just really love that program, so I'll link it down below if you're interested in a budgeting program, because it's amazing. You can do it on your computer or you can do it on your iPhone. So, you 90s babies, remember this?
Huh? What?
Good morning, CP. Look at those toes. Yeah, look at those toes. You're the cutest puppy. You ready to take a nap? Are you ready? Yeah. Talk to me. Say hi. You sweet boy. Hi. Talk to me. Agu. Talk to me, Bubby. Hi. Hi. This is your third outfit change. Because he keeps leaking. You just didn't poop yesterday. Yeah. So you pooped a lot today. It's okay. It's alright. Look how cute this is. It's from Kate Quinn. And it has little airplanes. It's a little big because it's 3 to 6 months, but that's okay. Yeah. Yeah. He loves this play gym. You can just lay him here and he'll just like play. Cutie pie. You cutie pie.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. I'm okay.
It hit you, it hit me.
Wow. Was that you?
When we went back and we were in there.
We're putting the chair on it to see if your brother can sit on it. And yeah, you could do it. Yeah, that one.
This one or the small float?
They're both the same, I thought.
Can you face it out?
You can face it up towards us. Face it towards us.
That one's the big one.
I think they're both the same, baby.
I go right first.
Oh, it looks so close when I close my eyes.
I go
So
backwards.
burn the mouth.
Mom,
I ignore the signs, but feeling far away. 2 years in a couple of days. I just wave
What?
my hand to the world outside like it's all okay.
Yeah, we're going.
Can't believe what my eyes have seen. I just woke up from a broken dream. Can't stop my hands from shaking. I need you to take them, and I don't wanna wait all night. I'm coming alive, and my senses are a little demented. Could this be right?
He got by that car. I think he's gonna make it. You think he'll make it? He's almost across. You wanna watch him make it all the way across?
Hi, Bubby.
Will you sit with me? Bring your little light. I've been down so long, I can't trust my sight. I'm sick of being so
I don't think he can do
tired,
it.
and I can't keep
Oh, yeah, he did it.
affording the game.
That was creepy.
It feels like my heart's gonna die if I don't run out this door. I can't believe what my eyes have seen.
I told you you
I
wanted
just
it.
woke up in a broken dream. Ooh, can't stop my hands from shaking. I need you to take them. I'm burning down the house tonight. I'm coming alive, and my senses are a little demented. I saw the light.
I just, no, that's the top piece. I just do the bottom pieces. It is right. Nice.
I can't believe what my eyes have seen. I just woke up from a broken dream. Ooh, can't stop my hands from shaking. I need you to take them, and I don't wanna wait all night. I'm
that's over there. That's there. So I have a few backpacks. And they both have our shoes on. And there's my brother right there. We can be in the dark. And we can hide. And my mother's here.
Here, baby.
And we
laundry that needs to be put up. Oh, look who it is! Look who it is! Say hi! I totally fell asleep with him, and Amy's in her room, probably asleep too, and it's 8 o'clock. So, way too late to be taking a nap, but we were very tired. We were really tired. Yeah. Yeah. So, I'm gonna put him back to sleep for the night. Probably in like 30 minutes to an hour. JC just left to the store to grab a few things so that we can make dinner. And then we're gonna go to sleep. Hello, you took a nap, huh? Ooh, you feel better? This little lady took a nap. You did. I love you.
I love you too.
I'm probably gonna clean up. What's up? JC went to the store. I'm craving like pasta.
Huh?
I'm craving pasta.
Can I eat something?
Yeah, you want some pasta? Told Daddy to buy some. Oh, and you scrubby slept so much, Amy.
Yeah.
We both slept so much. I fell asleep. I fell asleep.
I want to drink it.
You what? What a blanket?
Food.
Food, yeah. Okay, I'll get you a snack here in a second. I'm gonna get Evie a snack. I need to clean. I'm gonna go work out. We're gonna eat dinner. And that's the plan. That's the plan, Stan. I don't know.
I want brook salad.
Your dad went to the store.
I want him.
You want him? I want him too. Look at that yawn. Oh. Look at that pretty yawn. You beautiful boy. We'll get him in a sec. If you're wondering why I am bottle feeding him, it's because I went to go work yesterday and I always leave JC defrosted breast milk when I leave so he can feed him. And I never know how much to leave, so I left a little bit too much this time. And once you defrost breast milk, you can't refreeze it, so it'll go bad within, you know, a day or so. So I had to feed him the rest of that milk today. So he's eating this, and then tonight when I put him to sleep, I'll just pump the rest. And you're laughing. You're laughing. But yeah, I always want to leave more than what I think JC will need, just in case. I don't want to like leave him having to like defrost the milk in there. So yeah, I just feed him a bottle, and then if I have leftover, I'll feed him a bottle, and then I'll just pump and freeze the fresh milk so that that's in there and like it's made up for this that I just pumped. But you take the bottle pretty good. You're a good boy, right? Yeah. Yeah. You sweet boy. And I use the Komotomo bottles for him, and he likes them. Baby's still laying down over there.
Una L en mi ventana, es lo que eres mi amor. Miles de estrellas en mi cielo, yeah. Estar contigo es lo que quiero. En ti sueño todos los días, pero en el anochecer Quiero que no sean sueños, que en verdad yo sea tu dueño y tú seas mi mujer. Ya le dedico la luna a mi hermosa estrella. Y no escuché lo que dicen, pa' mí eres bella. Eres perfecta por fuera, ya, y más perfecta por dentro, ya. Y no escuché lo que dicen, pa' mí eres bella. Perfecta,
Hey friends, so I didn't post a vlog yesterday. We were just watching Selena on Netflix and dancing around the living room. So that. And we got shipped away, and then I went to go work out, and I went really late, and I was just exhausted when I got back. Bubby, you're so cute. Say hi.
Can you catch your camera, Mom?
Sure. I'm trying to figure out my camera. So I shoot film. This is a huge film camera. And I've had this thing. Baby, I need you.
And me.
Anyways, I've had this camera for a long time, like 7 years or something. And it has never given me problems, but it is now giving me problems. It's like the shutter won't fire. Y'all probably don't care about this, but basically this is a really expensive camera and they don't make them anymore. It's film. So I need to get this sent off to kind of figure out what's happening with it, because this is my baby. This is a great camera and it needs to be fixed. So I'm kind of stressed out about that today. I'm like Googling and figuring out what I can do, and yeah, I'm just gonna send it to someone so they can take it apart and figure it out. It probably needs a new charging coil wire thing. So I need to do that and get that figured out. I also I'm still in my PJs. It's like 1 o'clock. It's just been like a stressful morning because I want to get this camera figured out. And I need to clean, but I've just been in Avi's room hanging out with her and Zion. Yeah. And I'll probably go work out in an hour or so, and I need to clean today. But I guess I'll just end the vlog here. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please let me know if you have any questions. Follow me on Instagram, like this video, y'all know the drill, and I'll see you in the next one.